It's DatelineDrought.com, presented by Genuity Drought Guard Hybrids. Hello, everyone. As we start this new week, we're looking at the possibility that the drought affected the gross domestic product this year. We did get a report on the GDP on Friday, and it showed a little better growth in the U.S. economy than many analysts expected. They were looking for growth of only 1.8%, which would have been better than what we saw in the second quarter of this year, 1.3%. But no, it turned out better. It was growth of 2%. And there was a story over the weekend on the Associated Press that said it would have been even better had it not been for the drought, that the drought has hurt the economy. The AP story pointing out that it was the worst drought in some 50 years, more than 50 years. It affected 80% of the farmland of the United States, cutting corn production 13%, it appears, soybean output 8%. The report went on to say that it cut economic growth, the drought did, by 0.17% in the period April through June. And that it cut economic growth, the drought cut economic growth in the third quarter of this year by 0.42%, that period July through September. Well, first of all, I would point out if you're talking about that period April through June, the drought really hadn't started. It really hadn't had substantial impact on the heart of the United States at that time. And also, if you dig down into the numbers, you see that boost in the GDP, 2% growth rate, actually was due to some extraordinary defense spending, the analysts say. And when you look at what else was going on in the economy, the manufacturing sector continued to hurt. So let's not get too excited about a 2% growth rate, which is only about a fourth what they have in the Chinese economy, which is a slowing economy, by the way, that we're worried about. But its growth rate is significantly larger than ours. And let's not get too excited about the drought's effect on this economy just yet, because we know that overall, farm income is not expected to be impaired significantly this year after all is said and done when the numbers come in for all of 2012. We hope you'll join us during the week here for a variety of impact stories on the drought, the weather, and the market coverage at DatelineDrought.com. It's presented here by Genuity Drought Guard Hybrids. We hope you have a good week.